Hi, this is Rich from Arrow Renovation. I'm here with Mr. and Mrs. Conder. We just finished their bathroom. What do you guys think?
I think it looks great. I think they did a great job, start to finish,
Okay. How did you guys hear about Arrow Renovation?
from Home Advisor.
Okay, well, great. Well, we appreciate that. You had a salesperson come out. Everything went the way you had planned.
He was, we interviewed 3 or 4 different people, and the salesperson, Nathan,
Nathan,
came out to
yes.
see us.
was part of the reason they chose you.
Okay, he's a really good
knowledgeable
guy.
and personable.
Good, good. And as soon as Nathan was done, he obviously turned all this paperwork in and he got it to us. And your installers, they've been
Terrific. Yeah, Chad has just been wonderful.
okay. And now we're down to finishing up everything, and we made it through the holidays.
You did.
Anything you need, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to come out and get it.
I just
Thank
want
you,
to say
guys.
that Arrow from top to bottom has been
Yeah.
more than sufficient and helpful.
Accommodating.
Accommodating, I guess is the word I'm looking for.
Okay. Thank you.
We appreciate it.
And we wish you would recommend us to
We
friends.
will.